Our vision was to build something unique. Not just a new facility, not just great equipment, but a unique partnership. A partnership with the machine tool vendor, which will allow us to provide our customers with faster, better, and more affordable products.
This equipment's really set us apart in the industry. It's the technology available, the training, the application of the technology gives us the ability to achieve very high speed removal rates and exceptional surface finishes to allow us to be really the best in the market. Maintenance is critical for our success on this equipment. And again, Starrag has been a great partner in helping us learn how to maintenance the machine, what we need to keep in stock, what we need to check, how to check it. This installation is going to grow. So we've experienced very great success with the equipment, with the partnership with Starrag.
This equipment, since it's all automated, there's no operator intervention on starting the program. It's all controlled with the cell controller. We can man these 6 machines with 5 guys. We work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The reason we've chosen the ECOSPEEDs is for the high volume of cubic inch removal volume of chips being removed. It's much faster than any other machines on the market.
Starrag didn't just sell its machinery and ancillary equipment to Orizon, we sold a complete technical solution. There is no better reference for us as machine tool builder than a customer like Orizon who is very satisfied and highly successful.